Hi, my name is Karen Diaz. Creating edit speaking activity. You will record a video. You will write your 5 favorite quotes of famous people, and you will use indirect speech for each one. Example: Jesus said, "It is more blessed to hide than to receive." Jesus had said that it was more blessed to hide than to receive. You can house your mobile or your webcam, save the video file in your Argentina account drive. Number 1. Cute. The only way to the great world is to love what you do. Stephen Jones. Indirect speech. Stephen Jones said that the only way to do great work was to love what you do. Number 2. Q. In the end, it is no year in your life that counts, it's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. Indirect speech. Abraham Lincoln said that in the dead end, it was not the years in your life that counted, but the life in your years. Number 3. Q. Sauce is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Indirect speech. Winston Churchill said that sauce was not final. Failure was not fatal, but it was the courage to continue that counted. Number 4. Quote. The greats gloried in living, please not in never falling, but it rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Indirect speech. Nelson Mandela said that the greats gloried in living did not play in never falling, but it rains every time we well. Cute. Number 5. The future belongs to those who live in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Indirect speech. Eleanor Roosevelt said that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Remember to speak clearly and confident in your video presentation. Go look.